Hello everyone, this is Amelia from ZHONGTUO cold rolling forming machinery, and today we wanted to introduce one product of selling T-bar, and this profile mainly used for the selling, and in the following part we mainly introduce the cross T, and the cross T profile, the length could be 1,200 millimeters and 600 millimeters tool type for do the different installation. And now we check the profile, and this profile we design with stitching and with logo punching, and this machine we made for Ukraine, and this is the customer company logo, and we call this kind of T plain T. Now we check the length accuracy. I take two random cross teeth, then you can check the length. There's totally no error. All the lengths could be maintained same. This is 1,200, and now let's check the 600 length accuracy. You can check the profile and also the detail of the punching and the logo punching and the stitching effect all are perfectly good. And the main features of this production line is higher in speed. The speed can reach 35 meters per minute. And another feature is accuracy. We can promise you the accuracy of length could be controlled within 0.5 millimeters. Now we can check the machine elements one by one. In the following part, I will introduce the decoiler of the cross T. The cross T is composed by two kinds of coil. One is the surface coil, and another is the bottom supporting coil. So the decoiler also has two parts. As to the decoiler of this one, we use the 1-point manual decoiler. Of course, you can choose to use automatic hydraulic decoiler or double head decoiler or any way you like. And this is kind of manual decoiler we will give with this kind of it can support 1.5 ton. And we will give this kind of angle board to make sure the coil will not peel out from the decoiler. And this design with a kind of space. When you put the coil by crane or forklift, then you can take the rope from this part easily. And with this kind of handwheel, you can make sure the shaft, main decoiler shaft, expand and shrink easily. And as to the machine color, decoiler type, any type, we can design according to your requirement. And now we come to another part of the main rolling forming part. The main rolling forming part is composed by 16 roller stations. And the surface coil and the bottom supporting coil will do the rolling forming together. And this part is a leveling beach. Leveling beach for making sure the coil into the center of the machine in the right direction. And this kind of handrail is easy for adjusting the space of the rollers according to the different thickness, as the T-bar belongs to the high accuracy equipment. So this design for adjusting the thickness between two rollers easily. And when the coil into the machine gradually, and then this part we get a lot of turkey head. For this part we call the turkey head. Make sure the coil after rolling forming can do the right direction, and then into the locking part. The last 5 roller stations will make the surface coil and the bottom GA coil together, and then comes to the stitching part. This roller we call it the stitching rollers. When do the two coil together, maybe the strength will be not so strong. But with the stitching rollers, we can make sure the coil stitch together tightly, and then when do the locking with the surface coil, they can more strong together and more easily to be made together of the two kind of coils. And this is the counter. For the embossing counter, we will use the world famous brand of Omro, and to make sure the accuracy. And then this one, turkey head, to make sure the cross T into the punching part into the right direction and go straight directly. The next part belongs to the punching part. This part belongs to the punching part. As to the punching part, we design the machine use the mechanism punching. By this way, it can make sure the whole length fixed by this 3 mode. And during the punching, there is no error occur. So now we can check this waste bin relector. After punching, all the waste bin will punch here and being collected in some kind of box from here. When do the real production, put some kind of box here to recollect the wasted bin. And when do the installation, you need to try to install the gas station. And this one is a hydraulic station. It will supply the power to the punching of these 3 stations. For the cross T, you need to use 1,200 length and 600 length. When you make the 600 length, simple remove 1 punching station, then okay, this one. And after punching by this convey table, all the cross T will be conveyed here, and the workers here can do the package easily. And here all elements of the production line has been finished. If any question, you can contact us.